Good morning to all of you children. We are going to start today Geography of class 6th. So children, listen carefully and make notes from this slideshow. Hope you will understand. If you have any problem, then we'll discuss over it. So class 6th Geography. The Earth and the solar system. Children, as we know about the solar system, we know about the solar system, that it comprises of various planets, the 8 planets, the moon, the stars, and all those things. So today we'll know about the Earth and the solar system. First of all, we'll know about the celestial bodies, what it is. Basic definition, if we say, the celestial bodies are what? The star, the planets, the satellites. So the first point is all the objects in the sky are called celestial bodies, or we may say heavenly bodies. The sun, the moon, the star, and the planet including Earth are called celestial bodies. The celestial bodies are spread over a vast space is called universe. Type of celestial bodies. What are the types of the celestial bodies? There are different types of celestial bodies like stars, galaxies, solar system, planet, satellite, dwarf planet, asteroids, meteorites, comet, and meteors. These are what? These are the celestial bodies. First we will know about the stars. What are stars? Children, see, as we see in the night that the stars twinkles. The large number of celestial bodies shining in the night sky are called stars. Stars are celestial bodies which produce their own heat and light. Unlike the planets, the stars have their own light. Stars are huge bodies made up of very hot gases, and they give enormous amount of heat and light. But the question arises, why we don't see the stars in the morning? Just because of the light of sun. The stars nearest to the sun is Proxima Centauri. The nearest star to the sun is. Now let us know about the constellation. Constellation, the million of stars in the sky, some appear to be grouped forming definite pattern. These groups, which can be recognized by the shape, is called constellation. For example, the Great Bear, Big Dipper, Orion, etc. Children, if you see in the night, you can see the pattern of the stars. These are what? The constellations. You can see here the Ursa Major is here, how it is forming a group, a pattern. These are what? These are the constellations. Now the pole star. The pole star is also known as the North Star and the Polaris. Children, in the world, the Earth has the two poles, North Pole and South Pole. So the star which are shown there is known as the pole star. It is directly above the North Pole. This helped the navigators to determine north direction before the invention of magnetic compass. People used to navigate the distance, the directions with the help of these polar stars. Now what is galaxy? Galaxy is also a celestial body here. Million of stars together form a group which is termed as galaxy. There are million of galaxies in our universe. Scientists give different names to them. Our sun belongs to a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy, in which we are. Our solar system is there. These are what? A galaxy, that million of stars together form a group which is termed as galaxy. In our galaxy, the million of stars, million of galaxies are there. See children, this is the picture of our solar system. You see the sun is in the mid, and all the planets are revolving around it as well as rotating in its orbit. And the electrical part, this is what? A solar system. This is the family. The sun, the 8th planet, the moon, and the other celestial bodies that move around the sun make up the solar system. Now let us know about the head of our solar system, that is the sun. The sun is the heart of solar system. Heart, as in our body, the heart is very important to pump the blood so that we can get the oxygen to all the parts of our body. Same way, the sun is very important for the solar system. If we don't have the sun, we cannot get the heat, the light, because the sun is the ultimate source of energy. The sun is the heart of the solar system. Although it's the medium sized, it is giant in comparison to other in the solar system. Its diameter is more than 100 times Earth diameter, and its weight is 300 times, you can say, uh, 3 lakh times more than Earth. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. The light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth from sun. The speed of light is 3 lakh kilometers per second, even though it takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth. The sun is highly compressed gases like helium and hydrogen. The sun is nothing but the combination of two gases which creates a lot of energy. Now the another member is the planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word which means the wanderer, the opaque bodies which continuously revolve and lighted by the sun. There are 8 planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto was there, but it has come under the category of dwarf planet. Motion of planets. As we know, in the universe, every object is moving continuously. So the motion of the planets are of two types, that is revolution and rotation. As you have read last year in class 5th about the rotation revolution, so let us know all planets revolve around the anti-clockwise direction. Each planet revolves on its slightly elliptical path called orbit. Because of this revolution, the change in seasons happen. We have autumn, we have summer, we have winter, we have spring season. All these seasons is because of the revolution of the earth. Second is the rotation. All planets spins, rotates west to east on its axis. Because of rotation, the change in day and night happens. These are what? The motion of the planets. See children, these are the motions of the planets.